Hot off the presses, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. Hot off the presses. This expression is rich in history and meaning, and understanding it can add a colorful layer to your English language skills. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, hot off the presses, is used to describe news, information, or publications that are very fresh or new. The idea is that the item in question is so new it's practically just been printed and is still metaphorically hot from the printing press. This expression emphasizes the timeliness and freshness of the information, suggesting it's the latest update or release. Hot off the presses dates back to the early days of newspaper printing. In the past, news was printed on large presses, and breaking news would be rushed to print to be distributed as quickly as possible. The freshly printed papers were often still warm from the printing process, leading to the term, hot off the presses. This phrase captures the urgency and freshness of news and has been used in English for many years to convey the excitement of receiving the latest information. This expression can be used in various contexts, not just for newspapers. Here are a few examples. Announcing a new product. Our latest software update is hot off the presses, featuring new tools and improvements. Sharing the latest news or gossip. Did you hear about the new movie announcement? It's hot off the presses. Introducing recent research or findings. The results from the latest climate study are hot off the presses, showing significant changes. When using hot off the presses, you're highlighting that what you're discussing is brand new and potentially exciting to your audience. Understanding expressions like hot off the presses not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you connect with the cultural and historical aspects of the English language. We hope this exploration has added a new phrase to your linguistic toolkit and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey full of discovery, and each new phrase you learn is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.